So let's make meat pie. If you saw my video about how to prepare a burrito or the shawarma, it's pretty much the same procedure. Marinate the chicken and then boil it. So make sure you marinate it with healthy ingredients. That's the most important thing. Let everything be natural. Basil, ginger, oregano. If you have some turmeric, good. If you have some garlic, good. But just make sure that what you're using are 100% natural ingredients. Not just natural, but healthy natural ingredients. Spices. Okay, so pretty much the same procedure. And then our chicken is getting ready. And the oat gets blended with water. Always make sure that the water does not overshadow the oats. Let everything just come together in a very fine blend. And like we did for the burrito, mix it in this pot. And I'm trying to tidy up as I go, but it's not always easy to do. But I'm trying to tidy up as I go. Like before, put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and put a pinch of salt. So let's say half teaspoon. And keep on fire or keep on the stove. Why do I like saying put it on fire? Put it on the stove to cook and form into a dough. And then here, there is, as usual, I have my bell peppers and everything else. Carrots, the chicken is there as well. So yeah, that's the sauce for the pie. I had a bit of accident when I was trying to fill the dough. I'm trying to I called this chicken pie. So put it together. This is the first time I'm using this kind of dough. That is the oat dough. And one of the pies, broke in the middle, but the other one is still whole. So thank you for watching.